Welcome back, folks. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Ronnie.
And this is the Ron's World. We talk about the things on everybody's mind, but they just don't take the time to talk about them. This week, we're talking about clogging the toilet. What do you do if your house guest clogs your toilet? Ronnie, tell us about it.
Simple. Everybody eats, so everybody poops. So it's entirely possible that we're all going to be in this situation. So what you do is you just offer your friend a hand. And get plunging.
Well, that sounds super embarrassing. Clogging somebody's toilet, that's really, really embarrassing. And by singling someone out like that, nobody likes to be singled out, Ronnie. I wouldn't do it.
Listen, people will appreciate it because they probably didn't know how to use the plunger or they couldn't find the plunger. And by pulling them aside and saying, hey, did you leave something back there? They're going to really appreciate that you took the time to care about it.
Okay, first off, you're just assuming it was the poop and it was your friend. It's more than likely the plumbing, Ronnie, and it's your house.
What's really happening is Ronald brought deviled eggs over and it's probably the food, but that's a different show and a different topic. But you know, sometimes what ends up happening is you don't know who did it. If you have a crowded party, somebody may have left it behind hoping to get away from, get away with the incident. And what you need to do in that point is you gotta round everybody up and you just have to confront everyone and say, listen, we got a really stinky problem that we gotta deal with here, and you gotta put on your Sherlock hat and figure out who dealt it.
I think our audience would agree that that would not work at all. What you need to do is you need to get everybody out of the house, fake an alarm or something. Just get everybody out, like there's an issue with the septic system. And then you go in and deal with it yourself, Ronnie.
Look, everybody knows that if you left it behind, it's your job to deal with it. Your friend is going to appreciate that you're pulling aside because they know that if they poop and leave it in your toilet, they are disrespecting or pooping on your house and they would not knowingly want to do that. So pulling them aside, they'll really appreciate it.
You gotta think about your friend. It's so embarrassing. Be empathetic to them. Perhaps, they're a little stopped up. Offer them a laxative. Do something to help out your friend.
Look out, she's gonna blow! All right, look, the reality here is that it's a super uncomfortable experience when you clog somebody's toilet. What do? Leave some comments down below. Let us know, how do you handle the situation if somebody did it in your house and walked away? What do? Do you pull them aside or do you just let it go? I'm Ronnie.
And I'm Ronald.
See you next week.